Solid advice on how to make money in the stock market. The stock market can be very tricky, even for someone who is very experienced. When there is money on the line, events often don't go as predicted. Adhere to this advice for safer and more lucrative investments. Before handing any money to an investment broker, you need to make sure that they have a good reputation. You can investigate the reputation of various brokers by using free online resources. This little bit of research can save you a lot of money and stress in the long run. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. One of the finest things you can do to stay ahead of the curve is talk with a stock expert. Stockbrokers or friends who succeed with stocks are good people to speak with, as they often know which companies are the best to invest in. Learn from the experts to become one yourself. When your aim is to build a portfolio that maximizes long-range yields, your best bet is to choose strong stocks from a number of different industries. Even while the market grows at a steady average, not every sector grows every year. With a portfolio that represents many different industries, you are in an excellent position to shift your resources towards the business sectors that are growing most quickly. You will also find that the balance rebalances itself over time, meaning you will see profits in one sector one quarter, and in another sector the following quarter. As stated here, there are many strategies that can diversify risk and help keep your stock market investments safer. Use this advice to make safer and more successful stock market investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.